The ephemeral flowers, about 1 inch across, have 2 large showy blue petals and 1 smaller white petal. Blooms May through October, however, most frequently seen in spring or fall, but occasionally occurring in July and August. They only bloom for a day, but there are several buds on a plant that open 3 to 4 days apart, so it may appear to be ever blooming. Each plant produces many buds. The flowers attract pollinators, including butterflies, and are special interests to native bees. Light. Spiderwort is not picky about available sunlight. While the plant tends to prefer partial shade, it does well in almost any environment, as long as it gets at least 4 hours of light per day and enough water if exposed all day. That being said, you'll notice a difference in the amount and frequency of blooms depending on how much sunlight your spiderwort gets. As a native wildflower, spiderwort does not have any serious pest or disease problems. Soil. Spiderwort is easily grown in almost any soil condition as long as it is moist but well draining. It thrives best in humusy soil. Humus is what remains after organic litter from plants and animals has decomposed. Because a plant tends to clump and sprawl as it grows, it's best planted in spring, 4 to 6 inches deep, in soil with about a foot or more between each plant to give them. For spiderwort plants grown outdoors, there is very little need for fertilizer. A single application in early spring at the beginning of its growing period is usually sufficient. If you'd like to give your plant additional nutrients throughout the summer, you can add compost to the soil. While spiderwort is a drought-tolerant plant, it does best in moist soil and should be watered every few days, especially during the hotter summer months. If you live in an area with frequent summer storms, chances are your natural environment will provide enough rain to keep your spiderwort plants happy. The Spanish name for this plant means herb of the cooked chicken. Commelina Erecta can be grown from seed or transplant tubers. It is well suited to naturalized mass plantings in meadows or by wooded areas. Beware that the plant can become invasive. This is a very highly variable species. There are many varieties available in nurseries, or hybrids that can be developed by breeders with a focus on leaf and flower color, particularly in regards to the size and shape of the leaves. Be sure to like and subscribe and check out my other plant videos. Be sure to like and subscribe and check out my other plant videos.